The Posted Learning Commons in Drexel Library is using an online tool that works with Canvas to embed your electronic readings or print reading list into your course. To create a list, simply submit your citations to the library staff email. The recommended browsers to use are Firefox and Chrome. Internet Explorer and Safari are not recommended. Once we've created a reading list for you, you need to copy this into your course. Within a module in Canvas, click the Add Item button, choose External Tool from the Add Item dropdown, and select Discover, our reading list tool. Name your list something useful. Once you're done, click Add Item to save. To actually edit your reading list, click the name of it to open the tool. Because you're an instructor, the default screen will always be our search box. To copy a list, click the link See Current Reading List. As you can see, this is a blank list. Click Import from Existing List. Browse the second menu for all public lists to the correct file name. Click View this list and check All to copy all items into your course. Then click Copy Selected Readings. Once the screen reloads, you will see all the readings in your list. If you have copied course content from one course to the other, you still need to copy the reading list. This time, when you add a reading list under Modules, use the same name as the reading list you would like to copy. When you add the item and click on the tool, it will prompt you to copy a list. Simply select the list, preview it to ensure that all titles are there, and select Copy Selected List.